Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's say praise and thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for the gift I can make this video of internship program report. Previously, I would like to thank you for Mr. Rani as my mentor. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yuniar Ardiani. I am from Office Administration of Education 2019, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. Today, I will present my internship program report in General Bureau at the Secretariat General of the Ministry of Industry of the Republic Indonesia. Along with the times, science and technology is growing more rapidly and more new things are created to make it easier to do work. The era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 and 5.0 in Indonesia become the main influence in the development of Indonesian human research. According to the Deputy Governor of Riau, Edi Natar Nasution, said that in the transition from the Industrial Revolution 4.0 to the Industrial Society 5.0, what needs to be prepared is the human research. Because basically, when entering a new era, of course, will be faced with challenges that will occur and unavoidable. Effort to face these challenges need to prepare superior research and mature thought. Therefore, the Faculty of Economics needs for implementation to improve the quality and ability of students in deepening knowledge in the field of office administration. That is by doing internship program. The objective of implementing the field work practice are 1. Increase students' knowledge, experience, abilities, and skills in the field of office administration. 2. Provide an overview of the work for students in the field of office administration. 3. Develop good communication skills and provide opportunities for students to implement knowledge in the field of office administration. Practican the internship program in the Archive section of the Secretariat General of the Ministry of Industry. Office address Gatot Subroto Street, East Kuningan, Setiabudi District, South Jakarta. Division General Bureau of Archives. Practican carry out internship program for 2 months starting from Wednesday, February 9, 2022 until Wednesday, March 30, 2022. Work from Monday to Thursday at 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. as for Friday at 9 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. Practican carries out internship program activities which last for 34 days and starting from February 9 until March 30, 2022. In the implementation of the practice, there are 3 stages that must be passed. Namely, in January is the prepared stage, in February until March the implementation stage, in April is the stage of making internship report. The Ministry of Industry of the Republic Indonesia is a government agency that has the authority and responsibility in industrial affairs. As a government agency responsible for the industrial and trade sectors, the Ministry of Industry has undergone several name and cabinet change since it was formed until now. Based on the official website of the Ministry of Industry story, it was first formed on August 19, 1945 under the name of Kementerian Kemakmuran, the name of the Cabinet of the Republik Indonesia I. In 1915, under the name of Kementerian Perdagangan dan Perindustrian and the cabinet name RIS atau Republik Indonesia Serikat. In 1961, under the name of Kementerian Perindustrian Dasar and the name of the cabinet Wikora. In 2040, under the name of Departemen Perindustrian dan Perdagangan and the name of the cabinet Indonesia Bersatu. In 2014, until now, under the name of Kementerian Perindustrian and the name of Kabinet Kerja. Vision of national industrial development is Indonesia to become a top industrial country is characterized by 1. A strong, deep, healthy, and just national industry structure. 2. Highly competitive industry at the global level, and third, industry based on innovation and technology. In order to realize this vision, national industrial development carries out the following missions. 1. Increase the role of national industry as a pillar and driver of the national economy. 2. Strengthen and deepen the national industrial structure. Third, increasing independent, competitive, and advanced industries, as well as green industries. Fourth, ensure business certain fair competition and prevent the centralization or control of industry by one group or individual that is detrimental to society. And 5. Opening business opportunities and expanding job opportunities. The Ministry of Industry has the task of carry out government affairs in the industrial sector to assist the President in administering state government. In carry out its duties, the Ministry of Industry carries out the following function. 1. Formulation and determination of policies in the field of industrial research development. 2. Implementation of policies in the field of industrial research development. 3. Implementation of technical guidance and supervision of the implementation of the affairs of the Ministry of Industry in the regions. 4. Coordinating of the implementation of task, guidance, and provision of administrative support to all organizational elements with the Ministry of Industry. 5. Management of state property, which is the responsibility of the Ministry of Industry. In carry out its duties and function, the Minister of Industry is assisted by the Deputy Minister and the units under him. The Ministry of Industry consists of Secretariat Jenderal, Direktorat Jenderal, Direktorat Jenderal Industri Kimia, Farmasi, dan Tekstil, Direktorat Jenderal Industri Logam Mesin, Alat Transportasi, dan Elektronika, Direktorat Jenderal Industri Kecil Menengah dan Aneka, Direktorat Jenderal Ketahanan, Perwilayahan, dan Akses Industri Internasional, Inspektorat Jenderal, Badan Standarisasi dan Kebijakan Jasa Industri, Badan Pengembangan Sumber Daya Manusia Industri, staf ahli bidang pendalaman, penyebaran, dan pemerataan industri, staf ahli bidang iklim usaha dan investasi, staf ahli bidang penguatan kemampuan industri dalam negeri, staf ahli bidang percepatan transformasi industri 4.0, pusat data informasi, pusat peningkatan penggunaan produk dalam negeri, dan pusat pemberdayaan industri halal. In carry out its function and duties, the Secretariat Jenderal oversees several bureau, namely Biro Perencanaan, Biro Organisasi dan Sumber Daya Manusia, Biro Keuangan, Biro Hukum, Biro Hubungan Masyarakat, dan Biro Umum. The General Bureau is led by the head of the bureau, which has 4 units under it, namely bagian tata usaha pimpinan, bagian prasarana fisik dan pemeliharaan, bagian layanan pengadaan, dan kelompok jabatan fungsional. Fields of work carried out by Praktikan while carrying out internship program include areas that are in line with office administration materials, such as arsip, office technology, and computer application. In the field of arsip, while doing internship at the General Bureau of the Secretariat General of the Ministry of Industry of the Republik Indonesia, Praktikan got the task of carrying out the digitalization arsip or media transfer activities in the personal arsip. The steps to digitalization arsip or media transfer arsip are 1. Taking the file box in the filing cabinet. 2. On the official letters or manuscript from the older and sorting them according to the official letters or manuscript. 3. Prepare official letters to be transferred. 4. Create folders on the laptop as a place to store official letters that have been transferred to media. 5. Scanning official letters. 6. Save the file in the folder that has been created. 7. Upload files on Google Drive. 8. Re-enter the official letter in the folder and file box, then put in back in the filing cabinet. Computer application. Computer application field, some form of work carried out by Praktikan in the field of computer application include 1. Creating a list of stuffing files. 2. Uploading archive on Google Drive. Office technology. Some of the activities that practican do during Office technology field. Some of the activities that practican do during internship using Office technology. 1. Scan document. Practican perform document scan to scan personal archive using the sheet feed scanner type of scan mechanic. Office technology field. Some of the activities that practican do during internship using Office technology. 1. Scan document. Practican perform document scan to scan personal archive using the sheet feed scanner type of scan mechanic. 2. Print document. Practican print a list of personal archive files to be stored in the archive folder. The document is printed using an HP printer type mechanic. 3. Duplicate document. This activities was carried out by practicant when duplicating personal archive document. These employed documents are original files such as diplomas, certificate, employees cards, and so on, which are duplicated as many times as needed to be stored in the archive folder. The obstacles practicant experienced when carrying out internship were 1. Archive that are not systematically arranged. There are several employee files in the folder that have not been classified based on the type. The obstacles practicant experience when carrying out internship were 1. Archives that are not systematically arranged. There are several employee files in the folder that have not been classified based on the type of document or letter. 2. Inadequate office facilities. All documents can be damaged when scanned by a sheet feed scanner because the document paper is thin and has been stored for a long time, so it is prone to damage when scanned using a sheet feed scanner. 3. Unstable internet network. The process of uploading documents on Google Drive is hampered, so it takes a long time and is inefficient. Solutions to obstacles are 1. Archives that are not systematically arranged. Practicant overcome this obstacle by sorting out documents or sorting official letter by type first, so that the process of transferring archive media can run well. 2. Inadequate office facilities. Practicant overcome this obstacle by scanning all files that are prone to damage when scanned using a cell phone through the CamScanner application. 3. Unstable internet network. Practicant overcome this obstacle by first collecting the document to be uploaded on Google Drive, then uploading them together during break hours so that it does not take up working hours. Conclusion 1. The field of work carried out by the practical during the field. Conclusion. The field of work carried out by the practicant during the field work practice activities is the archive field. The implementation of the work carried out by practicing is regarding archive management. Field work practice activities take place, namely the field of archive, the field of computer application, and the field of office technology. During the field work practice period, the practicant encountered several obstacles, namely archives that were not systematically arranged, inadequate facilities, and unstable internet network. The solution to overcome these obstacles is to sort and organize archives. Practicant suggesting technician and employee in each bureau or general bureau to provide input or report on complaint to the leadership if the internet network is experiencing frequent interruption. Recommendation for students who will carry out internship program. Students should better prepare themselves by finding out in advance where the field work practice is in accordance with the field of education they are pursuing. In addition, students must train and develop their own skills and abilities. This is so that students can easily interact with in the work environment. For the Faculty of Economy, State University Jakarta, but the faculty and the university can provide an overview and briefing about work in companies that are accordance with the majors or concentration that each student undergoes. So that from the start, students have an overview of the implementation of the field work practice. For the Ministry of Industry, maintains, archive, authentication by watermarking, transfer archive. 2. Providing flatbed scanner facility to scan documents that have been stored for a long time and are prone to damage. 3. Create a personal archive application so that all employees can access the application and add or edit documents such as the last official letter.